Hey, I got a problem and I'm hoping you can help. This file is called one service spreadsheet to rule them all, and it comes from Strategic. So my question is, it's got these little red arrows here, and I know that they hold information. I don't know how to get that information out. So let me try something here, and I'll show you what I've tried. I've tried making these lines bigger. They started out that big. I tried making them bigger, and I couldn't get that any bigger. So if I hover this over there now, you can see the words a free custom banner ad to split test versus your existing advertising. And then there's another line over there that I cannot read at all. I tried stretching these out. That didn't help any. Oops, gotta make it go back again. I tried clicking on it. That didn't do any more than I had before. I tried making this bigger. The bottom line is, no matter what I tried, let's see, format, that, bottom, center, I don't know, nope, that's not going to work. Anyway, I tried making these bigger, smaller, upside down, back and forth, and I couldn't get anything to work on it. I can't figure out how to make these lines bigger. I can't figure out how to read what's there or copy it. I've got a full spreadsheet here. I would love to be able to take that line and maybe copy it to the next cell. Don't know how to do that. Can't do it. So I hope you can help me. Appreciate it. All these little triangles, they hold hidden mysteries. Thank you.